Morning. And then it was another day. I'm so happy I got that radio working yesterday. Now I can start thinking about redoing the whole dashboard and make it look nice. No more breaking down, but building up. Because basically, this is the vent. So that needs to be open somehow. This I want to replace. This whole row should be one piece of wood with holes drills in it, and then put it back in. Ashtray, don't need it. I just have no idea how to put the wood in its place that it stays there. I mean, the bus rattles and can't just glue it. I need to keep access to the back of it. And here I have a beautiful piece of wood. We had that cut out of a board. I've got 5 or so I can make quite a few mistakes. I think if I stain that and varnish it a lot, it'll look really nice. And on the wall, in that workshop, he had this hanging. That'll do nicely for the blower. He just gave it to me. Very filthy, but I think that might work. 12.3 and 5.
Trying to get away from this life I'm living. Same old things every day. Wanna change the feeling.
No! A little bit needs to come off. Just a touch. Okay. Okie dokie. Nothing a bit of sandpaper can't solve. And then I have to drill the hole. And it can go back in. Yay! Oh, didn't count on that one. Hey! I don't think it serves any purpose. We'll solve that primitively. Ta-da! It's in! Next one, I can glue it in because I can access it from here and undo the plug. So only this one has to be removable. That will be easy. Happy with that. Wow. Next problem. I want this there. But it has to be removable. So I think I want to make a little strip of wood for behind it, and that I could screw in from the sides, and then this sits hopefully inside. It'll look nice. Oh, this is exciting. Apart from the fact that the electricity is off, if I try to saw this by hand, it is going to wobble and break. So maybe I can snip it. Oh boy, this is not going to work, I think. I can do it, ruin it twice. I missed a bit, see, that even got it in my face. I think it'll look great.
All we have of these memories, time to make some new ones. Sun is up, I'm wide awake, we're not getting younger. If you still love me, then please just let me go. I won't stay with you, I need to live my own life.
So I glued it all together. Still needs to dry more, and I can only hope and pray that it will stay in. But it will be more or less this. And then I have to figure out how to attach it. But while it's drying, I want to focus on this bit. This is so exciting. Let's go here. A little bit not bigger than this. So. Well, I have them all. I just have to stain them now and varnish them. And then find a way to mount them. Don't know about that one yet, but that's what it is. Good morning. Is it all dry? Wow. Hey, this hole is bigger than that. How could that be? Oh no! Did I use the wrong drill bit in one? And the first one? Oh no, too big. Oh boy, can I disguise this? I don't want no more mistakes. So I'm going to test this one on my reverse camera and then I glue it in. For some reason these electrics have no power. They should have. So I've been sitting here thinking for a long time, why? It all worked before I took it out. And then all of a sudden it came to me. These lighter plugs always have power. Also when the key's not in there and the contact is not on. So stupid me, I've just pushed them back in the back and they touched. So they blew a fuse. It's not easy to be a beginner. These two have touched. Those maybe as well. Yay! I have no idea how to attach this. Difficult to say the least. It has the perfect little angle. Let's try. Oh, they come out. Ooh! Ooh! Yes, sir! Not pretty, but it's functionality now that we care about. Ever so ugly. It's in. Far from perfect, but it's in. It'll stay in. It was so scary to drill holes here in the dashboard, but it worked. Big job done. Wow. It's like a proper Ferrari or a Jaguar now with wood. Maybe I'll varnish it, maybe not. I don't want to see it for a while. So I hope you liked it. It was a big job. See you next week.